Hey guys, it's Brad from BBP Boxing Bootcamp and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a easy drill that you can do on the bag. Well, it's not so much physically easy, it's just easy to understand and be able to set up. So if you've got a bag at home, you don't need a trainer, you don't need a coach, you just need a bag, yeah? Or you can do this at boot camp, you can get people to hold the pads, or at your boxing sessions, people can hold the pads as they do it. But before we start, same as always, if you like all the videos that we're putting out, please give us a big fat like and subscribe, guys. It really does help out the channel, and let me know who you are by commenting below so we can get to know you and see what you want to see what videos you want to see coming to the channel, which is around boot camp, anything around weight loss, or anything regarding doing any boxing training or trying to be ring fit. Okay, here it comes. Okay, so all you need for this drill, like I said, is a bag, or you need a partner who's going to hold the pads for you. And these are what we call burnouts. So it's very simple, yeah? So if you haven't boxed before, I'll put a few links in the description for you to be able to learn how to throw the 1-2, because that's all you need to do. You just need to throw the 1-2. So you're going to be in your boxing stance, and you're going to have 20 seconds non-stop straight punching on the bag, followed by 20 seconds rest. So tend to do this for a 2-minute round with 20 second slots, so 20-second intervals. So you do 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off for 2 minutes. You could do these from 3 rounds all the way up to 5 rounds. It really depends on how much you want to feel it. But the idea is, guys, that it is a burnout. So you give everything you've got on that bag. So you're there for 20 seconds, straight punching, you dig them in nice and fast, put some power in, get the trunk rotating, yeah, and really give it everything you've got. So the idea of this is it's going to build your recovery time. So obviously for boot camp, it's great for burning those calories, yeah? If you're going to go in the ring and fight, this is going to help with your recovery, yeah? So imagine you're in a fight, you've come in, you're in that fight, you've got on, you've had your burst, he's on the ropes, boom, 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 you've digged him in, you've got on, 20 seconds, boom, 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 you've stepped off, now you're in that recovery, yeah? So another added element that you can do in this drill as well, on the 20 seconds rest, you can then have your guard up and then be in that stance. Imagine obviously you're in the ring and you're just looking out for shots coming from your opponent, or just getting used to having those hands up so obviously when you get tired, because obviously you don't want to get punched, you don't want to go in there, give you 20 seconds, everything you've got, drop your hands down, and then get punched, yeah? So obviously you do your 20 seconds, come off, and then you could get behind the guard, or you could even come away and then obviously just throw that jab out now and then, just to make sure that you've still got a little bit of energy in there to bang them out and get that jab, because you'll find that, especially if you're in the ring on your own, no one's going to do it for you. You need to find that grit, find that determination to keep your opponent off, yeah? Anyway, enough of me talking. This is what we're going to show you how to do. So I'm just going to quickly show you, I'm not going to do the drill, so this is the idea of it, is you take this away and start using it in your boot camps or your boxing sessions. So you're in front of the bag, we're just going to keep it as simple as just 1-2s. So I'm going to give you 10 seconds or so of me punching the bag, just to show you the intensity and the level that you should be going at. And then, yeah, guys, let me know how you get on with this below. So it's very simple. We'll just call this burnouts, so you can do a 2-minute round or a 3-minute round, a 2-minute or a 3-minute round on this. And yeah, let me know how you get on. So you're there in front of your bag, the bell goes. So 3, 2, 1, ding, 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 and then you're like, boom, yeah? Let's just say that was 20 seconds. Now you're off the bag, the bell's gone, boom, boom, get your guard up, boom, throw that jab out, keep them off you, bang. So I just did about 10 seconds there, and I'm gassed now, guys. So imagine if you're doing this for a 2-minute round, just think what your recovery is going to be. It's going to be hard, but it's going to definitely be worth it, yeah? So that's just an easy drill that you can take away from the channel, just to start doing on the back of me showing you how to do those 1-2s. So you can say give that a go there, and yeah, let me know how you get on with it. I'm going to go and catch my breath back, and you're going to comment down below what you think of it, and you're going to hit that like button. Can't talk now. And you're going to hit that like button and subscribe. Cheers, guys.